You know, traders, I keep coming back to our original buy and sell signals. I know we introduced this trend channel, this one here, right? But let's just take that off and come back to this strategy here. In fact, what we're going to do is have a look at all the alerts at 5, because what I want to look at is this HTF alert. It will give us a green or a red zone, and I'm looking to get involved with the first buy or sell signal. Right, HTF kicks off here, the green zone, and the first buy signal was actually back here. It's a little bit early. Oh well, we could wait for the next pullback or the next candle. Probably the next candle would be the thing in the green zone once we've got a buy signal. But let's just run through here and have a look and see how these stack up. So let's just assume we get involved on the next candle if the buy signal is not in the green zone. The HTF is going to bring you into the chart. We come in and we see that, okay, we get involved with that. Nice. 4R, easily achieved. Let's go down here. This is the alerts log. Have a look at them. Avalanche, okay, and they'll be mixed. There's Forex, there's crypto, there'll be everything in here, all right. So here's the HTF. We see this buy signal, so we get involved. Scalping or day trading, okay, so right there where the HTF kicks off on that pullback. Tight stop, nearly 3R. All right, let's just have a look through these. Kiwi CAD, okay, HTF, the next buy is here. Okay, we take that buy signal right there. Stop under, tight stop. So far, so good, right? Solana. Okay, the first buy signal after the HTF kicked in here. So, you know, we could actually get involved and keep our Fibonacci rules. So we look for the previous swing low, swing high. Just keep it simple. Long position. We see the buy signal. We come in when the HTF kicks off. We see the buy signal. All right, well, we're looking for the fib pullback. Stop under. So far, so good. 2R. Oh, you might want to widen that stop a little bit and place it under here, perhaps. Avalanche, we've already looked at. CAD Yen. And the other thing, look, let's just go back here and see how incredibly reliable these signals are. We'll go back one. We'll have a look at the most recent and we'll go back one. Avalanche we've already looked at. Well, we can go back one. Let's just go back to the previous. Yeah, okay. But again, stick to the rules, guys. Stop under that previous low and we go for 2R. This is 3R. Let's have a look at this one, CAD Yen. Okay, really tight stops. And that's something that I need to work on because I'm got this habit of widening my stops. Okay, sell. Right, so far we've got one not so happy out of all of the others that worked. But look at this. I mean, how many of these would there be? A short position, HTF, there's a sell signal in any given week, right? And I mean, look, if you trail it and you hang on to it and keep hanging on to it, or you enter another one, short, there's another sell signal maybe there. Just, think about if you lose one or two here and there, the amount of gain. So there's an HTF that kicked in here and a sell signal here. Okay, fair enough. But I'm always looking at how to improve this. I mean, we've gained, what, 5, 6, 11, say 10R, whatever. We lose 1R, fair enough. We lose 2R, fair enough. Let's keep going. Okay, we've got the Aussie dollar. Okay, well, that's the weekend. Some of them are a little tight. HTF, you might have got involved with that. And here's the other thing. You can always take partial profits off. Well, there's a 2R. You can always take partial profits off at 1R. But, I mean, come back here and have a look at this. HTF, there's your buy signal. And, again, well, there's a buy signal here. There's the HTF. The first buy signal kicks off here. You'd come in on a pullback or jump in there. Look at this white line under here and the yellow line. You probably want to go with that with your stop loss. But we want to get in early on these green and red zones, not late. So for the few that do fall over, we've certainly got a bunch that have, interesting, we've got some signals. But let's go back. Okay, look, see? So this is the kind of thing we want to get involved with. Expect to lose the odd one here and there. But guys, I'm thinking that this There's no buy signal. Yeah, a buy signal back in here, and yep, well, back down in here. That's okay. That's fine. The two of these worked out really well. It's not always going to be pretty, you know, because the markets can be a bit chaotic. But there's another one right there. You know, there's 2R. You know, so the thing to be would be to take partials off at 1R, move your stop loss slightly, maybe not even bring it to break even, perhaps, you know, and then trail it. There's no buy and sell signal. Yeah, look at that. Any one of these guys. I don't know, what's this one here? Brent, dollar, CAD, what's that look like? Here is an invite to join us and try these for 14 days completely free. The link is in the description below. You want to get in early on these green and red zones, on the buy or sell signals generated by this indicator down here, this trend sentiment. This is a lot more reliable, I think, than this one here. So if we include that one, you know, it's a lot more delayed. It's not triggering in the zone as I would like it to. There's one down in here that triggered in the zone, but this buy signal back here was earlier. Yeah, that triggered on the HTF, but I prefer this buy signal up in here. What else have we got? Dollar US 30. Let's just compare. Right. Okay, the buy signal, let's just see. Okay. We're waiting for the green zone. So we don't see, this is way back in here. I prefer to get involved. So if this HTF kicks off and we've got a buy signal next to it, we just jump in there. Apple, have a look at some stocks, guys. Gain instant access. There's a sell signal there. Yeah, I mean, you know, you take off partials at 1R, that's okay. But yeah, it's these that are going to make a significant difference. Absolutely. Look at this back here. See, the sell signal triggered prior to the HTF, and this sell signal here triggered after. Now it's a little bit delayed. So you'd come straight in on this HTF signal, seeing that there's a sell signal next to it. Short position, you know, stop above. Yeah, it's an interesting thing, guys. CAD Swiss coming back. Yep, sell signal, very nice. I'm going to take this one off because I'm preferring these other ones. Okay, short position. Short position. I mean, every one of these. That one, see, this is late in the trend. Okay, so we want to get in early on. Get in early when the red zone kicks off. So this sell signal here is the one we want. And if I include this one here, I mean, that fired way up here, and we wouldn't have taken that because it's in a green zone. So I let that go. I mean, you can use it for a stop loss if you like, a stop loss level. But short position on that signal seems to be a lot more reliable. I like it. I mean, we had a fantastic week last week, and I'm looking forward to more of the same in the coming week. And again, you can gain instant access if you go to my website. Click on the free trial here at anthonybourne.com. Gold will give you access to the indicators. Silver is just the signals. Yeah, go for gold. Scroll down. Access to the indicators here. Gold. All right, now there's a couple of things about this. This link here will give you immediate access, instant access through WAP. And it's much preferred. It's a very reliable system offering a whole bunch of stuff, guys, through WAP. I mean, there's everything you need for, you know, excellent customer service. It's great. The other option is through Stripe, and the issue with Stripe is it's going to take quite some time for me to enable your access. You know, you need to allow up to 24 hours because I have to manually enable your access to everything. All right, it's a slow process. Go for gold lifetime. Okay, but definitely this is my much preferred method of onboarding because it's immediate, and I'll show you why. When you click this link, it will take you to the WAP landing page, and there'll be a link to get access right here. It's as easy as that. But most importantly, once you join, you need to come up to the top here and click these links. So this will give you access to my Telegram channels in VIP there. This one here, TradingView Indicators, click that. That'll give you immediate access to the indicators. As soon as you click that and you go in and click OK, you'll be able to find the indicators in your TradingView, invite-only scripts. And then this is Trading 101, the course. Click that. Now the password for this is in the Forex Telegram channel in the pinned messages. And then, of course, you can auto-copy my signals from Telegram directly to your MT4 or MT5. So click that and that will give you everything you need, including a tutorial on how to set it up, all the settings and everything. So click these links above and you'll have access. Now, if for whatever reason this Get Access link doesn't take you to this website and takes you to my website instead, try deleting your browser cache history, restart your browser and try it again. Okay, if there's still any issues, just go back here and, second option would be to access through Stripe. Okay guys, I think we're going to be in for another great week next week. I'll be doing mentorship videos every day, running through the trades, the signals, and giving you my ideas, my thought process on using the system. And use the opportunity to become a profitable trader and become independent. Don't rely on third-party signals. And that's what this is all about. A lot of my members are passing prop firm challenges and they're funded. My guys are doing really well. It's empowering to develop a strategy and feel confident as a trader. All right, with that guys, I hope you have a fantastic weekend and stay tuned for more to come.